Hey guys, I got this from the train show today as well. This is this is a really cool story actually. One of the vendors at the train show knew me so well, he decided to give this to me as a gift. Free at charge, what he said. It says, Hobo's Railroad Spike Whistle. So it's a train whistle. Before I open and show you guys what it looks like, it says, this whistle was made from a genuine railroad spike. As much as 50 years old, each one has a unique as a person, with its own flaws, its own shape, and its own sound. No two are alike. And here's the other part of it. It says, this whistle was machined on an antique machinery, some over 100 years old. This work was done by Ohio Tom, a retired hobo who now lives in Ohio. He would enjoy your comments and questions. Feel welcome to email him at, as you can see, it's backwards. It says Ohio Tom at hotmail.com. It's Moat, Ohio. Moat, Ohio. So, now you know what that is. Let's open it up and see what's in here. You guys ready to see what the train whistle looks like? Let's take a look and see what it looks like. You guys wanted to see how it looks. Well, there it is. Alright. This is the Railroad Spike Whistle. What do you think about that? What a gift. And it sounded, listen to this. That's the whistle of Ohio Tom. Ohio Tom's train whistle. Now this is what a real train whistle would have looked like, handmade. I mean, it lasts longer. It's made out of steel, high carbon steel, and it's from Ohio. As you can see how it's actually boarded out and it's got a reed on it. It's got a little reed that goes in it. Wow, what a beautiful spike. And you can see where the plate was. That's where the rubber plate was. Huh. It says HC on it, and it's got a little dollar sign right there on it as well. You can barely see the dollar sign. It's right there. And the HC is up here. So, yeah. This is it. This is a real spike whistle. That's what it sounds like. So if anybody has any questions on my whistle, you let me know. I'll get you guys later. I'll see you later.